Hello guys, today I supplied this nice Alpha Delta 2 switch to my shack room now. It's normally assigned for about legal limit 1.5 kilowatts. The cable what is connected to is 2 times RG8U from Belden cable, and one piece of a Messi Paoloni Ultraflex 7. What is the line to an NRD GRC receiver? So now we will test it here. It's assigned for about 1500 watts, but we all know that you can't have all that what you like in your life. So I have only this switch HI, and now I will test it there with my OM power amplifier. So switch it to 50 meter band, around the 50% power of this amplifier. So let's test it there. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 test 1 2 test 1 2 test 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 test 1 2 3 4 test 1 2 3 4 test Oscar Echo 2 Charlie Radio Papa test. Ocean Easy 2 Charlie Radio Papa test. Oscar Echo 2 Charlie Radio Papa test. So, and as we can see here, it's not smoked up, so yeah, well done, the Alpha Delta switch.